Yeah. Holy shit.
What?
There's a bird in the house!
Oh my god!
Ah!
Holy dick.
Oh shit!
Dude, what?
That was a
cute.
filming while I
Cute.
hurt it. While I fight it.
Alright.
Beat his ass.
Oh shit! He's active!
He's on the loose!
Remy! Where are you?
He's on the loose!
Don't kill it.
Don't kill it! Fuck that shit up!
Open a door.
Oh, open your door. Get out of the way.
You guys, what if it poops on me?
I'm really gonna get it though.
Okay.
Oh, dude, that sucks balls.
Brandon, you're so mean!
Brandon, you're a douche.
Maybe he wants to get out. That's why he keeps flying in the window.
Well, you have 5 minutes and 24 seconds. It's your mission to get the bird out of the house.
Be free! Come here, buddy! Let's name it Paula.
You guys aren't cute like I am. I can get it out. I can get... No!
I'll just carry it out.
Here.
Yeah,
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got
Fuck,
it.
it's going away.
Hold this. Hey!
Dude, Remy just ran away. Somebody's. Oh, but I want to see this.
Hey! Oh my god, the bird's freaking out!
Just pick it up. Alyssa,
I can't, it's too far! Oh, I'm scared.
I don't want to get fucking disease.
Simon's bird whispering.
Where is it? I'll just
grab
grab
a
it.
candle.
Can I throw this at it?
Where is it?
It's right there. Get it.
Don't hurt Brandon.
Don't hurt it. Don't hurt me.
It's a fucking sparrow.
Yeah, you can squeeze the guts out of it.
Oh,
I was like,
I got it!
oh my god!
Film it! Ah! Get the fuck!
Let's go get Remy. Go. Where is he?
Simon, did you leave the door open? We're probably gonna go back in.
What?
I'd wash your hands.
Fuck
Dude,
you.
get that thing away from me.
Okay.
Remy, no.